to the actual coding part, we need to set up a code editor in our machine. I'll go with the Visual Studio Code as it is one of the popular code editor on the internet, and this is one of the free editor as well. So you can easily go in this website and you can select your operating system and you can download it easily. And once you are done with your setup, it will look something like this. Okay, it's an extension tab where you can search the extensions. Like I have installed these much extensions, but don't worry about these extensions, we will set it up later on in the upcoming videos. Okay, but there are few important settings which I would suggest you to set up before getting started with the coding part. For example, the one which I have done is autosave. What it will do, whatever you write in your file, it will save it automatically. You don't have to save it over and over again manually. Okay, so and the other one you can use is, this is settings icon, by the way. You can go to the settings and you can search for any settings directly from here. For example, I will search for format on saved. As you can see, this is already checked in my machine. For this we need to have a formatter available in our VS Code. Right now you guys won't be having it, but in the upcoming videos we will set it up. But for now, just make it checked. Okay, so this is all about setting up VS Code, and see you in the next video.